Right on, welcome back to Texas Chopper Blog Chop. It's Saturday, February 25th. I'm just doing a little work out here in the shop, nothing real major. Just working on them damn chainsaws so I can get some wood cut. Hopefully this damn snow will clear up and winter will get over with. All you guys out there riding down fucking out in California and Florida and everywhere, fucking sucks. We sure all here. Not really. Anyway, I'm gonna get a video out probably tomorrow. Tomorrow night, actually, it'll be on the Brother AJ and Oaks fucking drag bike that we're building to go down to Bandimere in. And this is a series I've been I was slacking there for a little bit, but we're gonna try to get back on it. So anyway, I just wanted to touch base with you guys and let you know what's up. Hopefully fucking we can get this drag bike down. It ought to be a hoot, man.
Two on this side?
Yep. Another trip.
Probably sealed ball bearings,
They're
right?
shitty bearings anyway, so I was going to pull them out and either replace them with smaller bearings. So
Oh, really?
fix on a 3/4 axle.
Why was you gonna do that?
That one bearing's bad.
Oh, is it?
I've never been able to move it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Pretty much froze up.
Yeah.
Wonder if this motor's any good in this.
I hope so.
You should have rolled it over and everything else to start with before you put all that work in it. Well, if not, you could fix it.
Yeah, it's not that big a deal.
Well, you see, the thing with you, you're familiar with these fuckers. You've worked on them before, so. Me, closest thing I know about it, Sportster's this side, the 4 cam thing. That little fucker puts out 100 horsepower. That's more than your bike.
Yeah.
That's more than my, that's
Yeah.
probably more than my 93.
Yeah.
Is that the axle that come out of that bike stock?
No.
Huh?
No.
What happened to the stock fucking axle?
It's in storage because it's
Huh?
in storage. It's too big for those axle plates.
Oh, on that frame?
Yeah, I'm longer than that.
Where'd that one come from?
From my pile.
Okay. Well, it's just a little rough in that spot, you know?
Yeah.
You can take and chuck it up in the lathe, take your fucking belt sandpaper, turn that lathe on polish it real light. Well, I was wondering if that was the stock axle because that bearing he said don't move. Maybe it's put on that to rough that axle up a little bit, you know? That's what I was thinking.
Oh.
I'm gonna let part of the car, let her warm up a little bit. And smoke a cigarette while you're doing that tire.
Okay.
You got your other tire in there?
Yep. This tire hasn't been off in a while. Jesus Christ. Okay. Didn't get too close. good.
That's what she said.
Okay. Looks like it's not gonna be fun. There we go. Fucking old bath tire. Jesus Christ.
Still looks like a pain in the ass, but it's still a lot fucking easier than doing it by hand.
Yeah. Yeah, that's low profiles. That's what made me decide to get one.
Right.
Rotation.
Up low.
Say what?
Yeah, there you go.
Really replace that piece. Okay. I'm not just doing this for fun. I don't mean that to be a punchline. That's serious.
This is one side right here, doesn't want to.
Fucking pop.
I even take like a fine file or maybe some sandpaper. I could take some sandpaper while you're doing that and polish that axle.
Okay. I can get you some,
You know, is that the new one?
yep.
Did go down quite a bit, whole bunch actually. And it being a little bit bald, we don't care. Because that'll serve like a Arapahoe slick. That's what we call bald tires down there.
We'll run it at like
With lower tire pressure.
Yeah. 15 psi.
Oh man, can you pull that off there?
Yeah. Just took it off.
I'm weak.
My hand's slippery.
We don't hear that too often here.
What's that?
Sirens.
I don't know. If you keep turning it, you'll find a loose spot, yeah. That's what I did anyway. You'll feel, there he goes. I wonder if it's in the bushing. I don't think it's in the bushing, is it?
I don't think so.
Put your finger in there, feel it. Little finger all the way through it. Feel okay? I kind of, right there, I feel a place. What do you got for sandpaper?
I got emery cloth.
Yeah. Or it's all the same damn thing. It's all a beat or a hammer. I don't know all the proper names for everything, but I make shit work. I can build bikes. I've proven it because I've done it. Let's see. And I'll take it for, there it is, right here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Did you paint that?
No.
Is that aluminum?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's anodized.
Oh, okay.
I had that same bag at home.
What?
That bag of, when we ordered them for fucking numbnuts fucking bike.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what.
No nuts.
I
You mean bird nuts?
Bird nuts. Bag of bones.
I told you I seen him out at Walmart, didn't I?
No, no.
Yeah, you did see. Well, how you doing? I'm like, everything's all nice. I don't know if this is doing any good, but. You got any wider stuff? Seems like it was just in that one spot, didn't it? Did you feel it, Oak?
Yeah.
What grit's that one? 8. What's these? Oh man, can you pull that off?
Yeah. I just took it off.
I'm weak.
My hand's slippery.
We don't hear that too often here.
What's that?
Sirens.
I don't know. If you keep turning it, you'll find a loose spot, yeah. That's what I did anyway. You'll feel, there he goes. I wonder if it's in the bushing. I don't think it's in the bushing, is it?
I don't think so.
Put your finger in there, feel it. Little finger all the way through it. You okay? I kind of, right there, feel a place. What do you got for sandpaper?
I got emery cloth.
Or it's all the same damn thing. It's all a beat or a hammer. I don't know all the proper names for everything, but I make shit work. I can build bikes. I've proven it because I've done it. Let's see. I'll take it for, there it is, right here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Did you paint that?
No.
Is that aluminum?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's anodized.
Oh, okay.
I had that same.
It's just in that one spot too, huh? Rest of it was okay, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Good thing he called. I was laying there sleeping. I had made some goulash half-ass the other night. I didn't have no stewed tomatoes and didn't put enough hamburger in it. I made some more tonight. I had stewed tomatoes, the right stuff to make it. Like my mom used to make it. That should make that goulash so good. We're okay everywhere else. See that?
Yeah.
Just right there. That one spot. God damn. I don't want to. See it right there?
It looks like it's bent. The axle's bent.
Well, I got it is a bunch too,
Yep.
isn't it? Fucking worm. Mocking it together, but geez. Trying to get it half-ass close when you're mocking it together. I don't know if I'll be able to. I smoothed it up some. It went a little further. What you gotta do is when you put it in, roll it around, find that loose spot, huh?
Yeah.
I'm so weak. Trying to squeeze the sandpaper. If it's bent enough you can see it, I probably ain't gonna be able to polish it out of there because it's a big one, you know?
Right.
Even though it's just sticking in that one spot.
It looks crooked from here.
It
Yeah, you
does.
see it's laying that way. What you'll have to do is when you put it in, push it in.
That makes sense
Twist
why
it.
it didn't have issues going in. I must have
You
just
had
had
it
it like
sweet
certain,
spot.
yeah, certain spots.
See right there, it's stiff.
It's just a mock-up axle.
Yeah. I'm not marking it.
I knew it wasn't my spacer.
You can see where it's sticking. Yeah, you just had it turned just the right way. You got lucky. You had it turned just like that.
Yep.
What's that, a fogger?
Yep.
Won't hurt you, no. Ain't gonna get that out of there, I don't think. Because it's a pretty big bowl, actually. Even though high spot looks like it's only about that big, you gotta go down quite a bit to get it out of there.
It's because my spacer's dialed in.
The space is fine. Just remember that, I guess,
Yeah.
when you're putting the ends off. Got a little lube on it, it's not hurt much, but it makes it probably worse, trying to hang on to it.
Well, it was a 170, now we got a 190 on here.
Is that what that one is?
Yep. And this is
Oh, wait, this
considered a
right
street strip, so we don't have to go up a category.
This one's a what, 190?
Yep.
It is quite a bit fatter, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's in here, are these fine coarse thread. And for drag bikes, I always weld them on the back bike, back. That's how I did that Maybelline frame. 'Cause that way that axle, when you slam on the brakes, the axle can't move around. So whenever you get a chance, build you a couple more of those and weld them on the back. Run double fucking chain adjusters, lock that axle in.
Yeah.
But for now, it don't matter. But what you could do, if you do got some bolts, are those fine thread or coarse thread probably? Harleys are fine thread on Harley rigid frames.
They look coarse.
Yeah, those are 3/8. Yeah, they're coarse. You don't got no bolts?
On that one.
Huh? You start scrounging shit like I got. That's why I scrounge everything. I grab everything. I grab everything. Eventually, you or somebody else is gonna have to need it, you know? What's that one?
Those are the wheel spacers.
Wheel spacers.
Yeah. Go from 1 inch to 7/8. Or 3/4.
On what?
Sorry, 3/4 to 1 inch.
On what?
Axle wheel.
On the what?
Axle wheel.
Oh, you slide those over the axle for they sit right at the axle plates is what you're trying to say?
Yes.
Okay. That was plain, wasn't it? Easy to understand. That's why I don't play well with people. I've built everything myself by myself. And I kind of got it dialed in. And people don't, and when I am right, I don't know how much of it is I think I'm right because I'm a bullheaded motherfucker. It's like they say, there's the right way, the wrong way, then your way, you know?
Yeah.
So I don't know how much. Yeah, that is. Why did you want to put a 200 on it? Would that be too big?
Yeah.
No, if you hit the tire.
Then we'd be doing too much to it.
It is quite a bit of water, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh. That one was a what?
170.
This is,
190.
wonder how much wider it is. Probably half inch on each side or bigger.
Yeah. Well,
250 thousandths on each side.
I don't know how they rate that.
it'd be centimeters
Millimeters, isn't it?
or millimeters.
Centimeters are smaller, ain't they?
No, centimeters is bigger than millimeters.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Phonostat.
Yeah, I mean,
Millimeters.
when it's up like that, that'd be kind of better. Well, when it's up like that, you want it down here a little bit. Because if it's up here,
Then it's one to.
well, you'll be able to slide in the slots or adjust it, even if you get it too high. Which that's actually kind of a good idea, I guess. 2 bolts, seem like 2 5/16s, get some hardened bolts,
Yeah.
reap down on them motherfuckers. Oh. That's a good idea, cutting the time cover off, or you get right in there to that fucking countershaft pulley.
Yeah, it makes it clean looking too, I think.
Yeah, and then you keep eye on stuff, if any bolts get loose or something, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Taking off that little piece of aluminum makes that much difference with the weight. Yeah, that front end really makes it look drag bikey, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Between that and that rear fender.
Yeah. Damn sure does. And that gas tank.
You weren't really sold on that fender to begin with. What do you think now?
I like it.
Yeah.
I was looking at the old drag bikes from the mid-60s or whatever, the 70s, maybe even the 80s. They all run fenders like that back then. They all run those fender draggers now, don't they? Those full body looking fiberglass things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the old style stuff. You ever seen those taillights you can buy that says "fuck you"?
Yeah.
You ought to buy one of those and put on there on this for a taillight. For when you're ahead of somebody, when you hit the brakes, the taillight comes on.
Yeah.
Fuck you. It'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, we could do that.
This rim has, you know, it's a 3-spoked rim, but it has holes going all the way through on each spoke. Wonder what the deal on that is. There's a reason for it. That rim would be a high dollar motherfucker if you bought it, wouldn't it?
I don't know.
Looks like a big old wide ass motherfucker. That's pretty cool. You utilized a whole bunch of stuff off the stock bike. Like the fucking front end. You're gonna keep the same size tire on the front, right? Just put a new one on it?
Yeah.
Is that the seat off Maybelline?
Yep.
Ace made that seat. Did you know that?
You told me.
Yeah. I put a lot of miles on that seat on the red fishtail bike. That's kind of, is that the seat you're gonna run on it?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
That fits perfect.
It does, doesn't it?
Hey AJ, do you still have that little seat like that I gave you?
That's solo,
That little solo seat?
with the one that has springs. No, I got that seat from, I don't know if I do or not.
I gave you a little digger seat.
Like that one there?
Yeah,
Little contour.
yeah, you had it on I think you put it on the 71. Or not on the 71.
I probably still got it out there somewhere. When you need it back?
Maybe.
Yeah, because I got a spring solo seat, but a real wide one, like a bait solo seat, real cool looking one. Like, instead of a small one,
Right?
it's a wide one, but it looks good on the dresser. And if I want to change seats where I ain't sitting 8 feet in the air with that big buddy seat,
Right.
that stock buddy seat, I can put that one on there and it drops you way down. It looks like you guys is new bikes. You don't have
Right.
to drop the seat down like that.
Yeah, if you do have it, I
Because
would.
it's a rigid frame like this. So with that seat on it, it drops you away, drops you down a foot.
I'm thinking about trying it on that that shovel head I got.
Oh, that one, Brian.
Sam's.
Sam. Have you seen Mike lately?
A couple days ago.
He never stops by my place. He stopped by and dropped that coat off that time, but that was it.
I gotta tell you, he stopped by my house the other day and he goes, well, that coat looks familiar.
Did you tell him?
Hey, yeah, I did. I said, I was over at AJ's the other day. He fucking gave it to me. And he goes, well, good, I'm glad it couldn't get used.
Well, it was too, you tell him it was too small for
Yeah,
me?
I did. He goes, I know. He goes, he told me that when I gave it to him, but. No, he was all good.
That fucker scared to death of me, and I'll never know why. He could fucking rip my head off shit on a big bike anytime he wanted. He's pretty good size in the bike.
I don't think he's really scared. I think he just got lots of respect.
Oh, no. I went down and said, he goes, oh, no, you're a mean motherfucker, you killed me. I said, you're so full of shit. I'm old, worn out old man, I can't make shit. I'm withering away. You're a big young stud. You don't understand that. Because I've been in his, like his shoes, or oak shoes, or whatever. You don't understand it until it starts happening. You start losing it, you know?
Yep.
When we was young studs used to say, I'm just a mere shadow of my former self being a smart ass, you know? It's a fucking truth now. Literally the truth. I think I fucked this up.
Huh?
Yep. God damn it.
Oh, you went the wrong direction?
Yeah. I do that shit all the fucking.
I hate it.
You need me, little. Yeah. You didn't go the wrong direction, did you?
Oh, no, I need to step
Now you gotta step it.
it down. Okay, I see what I was doing. I did it the right way, I just didn't do it in my head how I thought I was doing it.
You got you a chop saw here? You need a chop saw if you don't got one.
I got a chop saw.
Them fuckers are nice. Big old workbench.
Huh? I won't. Oh, we're hitting the light up here.
Right.
Can I?
Yeah, just pull it. Yeah, perfect.
Does that light work?
Yep.
Hell, you don't even need to heat that arm up to bend it. As long as you want. You're running that torch pretty low. Is there a reason?
I'm just trying to bend it
Keep it
slow.
Do it slow.
Yeah.
Let's see. Bringing it over here now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't, I have no idea.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty good. Oh, yeah. And it's sitting pretty flush up here too.
Yeah.
And you got plenty of room in there. Now, I'd cut it off a little extra long, give yourself a little to play with, maybe. Want me to push that up like that while you have it on there?
Yeah, maybe.
Where would you want that? Probably down there.
That looks special, huh?
Yeah. Those bends are nice. Just use the vise to bend them at where they're bent, where it was clamped in the vise, and you bend, yeah. You want to measure that? Take a piece of fucking soapstone and mark it, for you know where to cut it.
Oh, I know where to cut it. It's just like 1 inch off. Maybe
Give
an inch
yourself
and
a-
half.
Because it's going to hit right there, so. Or it's going to hit there.
No, we got plenty of room because it's.
But you can actually go forward too with this.
Yeah.
You go up to the next hole, slide it up the next hole. No, in fact,
Careful your
go
hand.
back. Yeah. And you always can put a little spacer if you like the thickness of a nut.
We could actually
wouldn't
flop
mind.
it around.
Huh?
We could actually flop it around too. Oh, that's
I was
hot.
gonna say that's hot.
That's
isn't
how
it?
you tell the smart ones. I always piss everybody off. That's how you tell the smart ones from the dumb ones. Because rather than sit there and hang on to it, they'll pull away from it. I tell them, yeah, you're one of the smart ones. You pulled away from it right away. Fuck you. Dumb ones that sit there.